Hello! Right now, we will go through all of the stages of rendering the scene. The first step that you need to do is open Cinema 4D with your scene. After that, you have two ways how to complete the render of your scene. The first way is through the Turbo Render plugin using the RenderApp. The second way is through the web interface in your account on the website. In this video, we will take a look at rendering through the Turbo Render plugin using the RenderApp. Make sure that the RenderApp is running and you are logged in by entering your username and password from your personal account. Before sending the scene to render, select the desired format, the output file. Only image formats are supported. Make sure that the result name template is name0000.tif. Set the picture settings and the frame rate and the frame range. To choose the correct frame numbers for the renderer you want in the settings of the renderer in the frame rate option, to set a value matching the value of the FPS project settings. In case there are different values, not the selected frame will be rendered, but a frame with an offset in any direction. For example, frame rate equals 25, FPS equals 30. Frame number 200 is selected for rendering. The result will be frame number 166. If you need the pass files, in the list include multipass. Click on multipass and add the necessary pass files. Before you send a scene to render, you need to check the name of the scene and the camera so that it contains only Latin letters and numbers. After that, it is necessary for you to select the render via Turbo Render on the Plugins tab. The plugin window opens. In the plugin, you can see the status of the RenderApp. Both of the lights should be green. If you see a red light, then check whether you are running RenderApp and whether you are logged into your account. We will now begin checking the scene. Click on the Check Scene button. In the window, the control parameters appeared, such as status, project name, number of servers for the project, materials, format, FPS, frame rate, number of frames, resolution, file name, and saving of pass files. Set the required number of servers, for example, 10 for the sequence and 1 for the image. We recommend you to choose based on the complexity of the scene. The more complex it is, the more servers. If everything is properly filled out, you can send the file to render by clicking on the Upload to Render button. Do not close the plugin until the file is all the way uploaded. Once the plugin has finished sending, the RenderApp will accept the task. And now you can close the plugin in Cinema 4D and continue working on the project. To start the task, go to the RenderApp. A window with detailed information about the task has opened up in front of you. In the window, on the Task Properties tab, you can see the task status and cost. On the Parameters tab, you can see the parameters with which you started the scene. On the Details tab, you can see which servers render your scene and how many there are. Here you can find the log files of each server in case something goes wrong. Click on the Start Render button. You will see a full list of your tasks. The status of the active task changes automatically. As soon as the render is finished, the farm will pack the resulting file into an archive and it will create a download link. You just have to click Download Files and go to the folder specified in the RenderApp settings as the download folder.